POAI stock, Predictive Oncology Inc. The stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, and yesterday, the 28th of June 2023, it gained at 10.23%. And the folks at Investor Place are pointing out that it could be a potential acquisition target. And they also went on to say that with its PEDAL platform, the company can efficiently challenge a compound to demonstrate a drug response within a set of heterogeneous tumor samples representing what a compound could encounter in a clinical trial, thus providing a leading indicator of clinical performance, as indicated by the company's Chief Business Officer, Pamela Bush. So they went on to say again that while the company doesn't make a lot of money just yet, it does have key partnerships. For example, it's working with Cancer Research Horizons to develop oncology drugs. With about $370 million of annual research spending, CRH is one of the biggest private funders of cancer research. It also announced a partnership with Sevagenex to develop a genomics-based approach to precision radiation therapy and drug discovery using artificial intelligence. So we have some highlights of the company as for last year, 2022, from proactive investors. They're saying here. One of the main highlights was a successfully completed Discovery 21, establishing proof of concept for PEDAL drug discovery platform. That's the one we talked about, and validating the company's commercial platform. Effective 16th of March 2023, Predictive Oncology and Cancer Research. We talked about that. The world's largest private fund of cancer research have partnered to drive the development of oncology drugs utilizing Predictive Oncology PEDAL, a platform that pairs artificial intelligence with the world's largest biobank of tumor samples. Okay, Predictive Oncology and Sevagenex, I mentioned that as well, announced partnership to develop the first ever genomics-based approach to precision radiation therapy and drug discovery using artificial intelligence. They launched Accelerating Compounds Exploration program to partner with academic and research institutions to advance their drug discovery initiatives. Company names seasoned biotechnology and bioinformatics industry veteran Raymond F. Venare as CEO and chairman of the board, effective 1st of November 2022. Appointed Dr. Pamela Bush as Chief Business Officer to lead the company's business development, partnering and growth initiatives. Okay, and much more. You're going to see the link to this in the description box below. So yes, the stock is using AI to do some predictions as it concerns its drug production, its drug research. So. But one thing, important thing to note about the stock is that you can see it has a very, very low float, some like that, and also a very, very tiny market cap. So, amongst other things, it can be fascinating. It can be fascinating to have these sort of things about the stock. You can see usually it leads to a high volatility. You can see 133.97. It could even be more. That volatility could even be more. And at the same time as well, it's also associated with AI. You can even see in its ticker, it's a POAI. So the important thing I'm trying to point out here is that it's likely to be a stock that is highly vulnerable, given that it has this very tiny market cap and this very tiny shares outstanding. Shares outstanding is only 4 million. That means the float would even be less than that. So given all of that, on its 1 minute live chart, we have upper projections of all the way towards $5.37. But let's look at the daily chart and see what the projections are. Daily chart. We have upper projections of 5.96, 6.91, and 9.61, but there are also downward projections. There is a downward projection of 4.72, 4.14, 3.55, and 2.53. So that's on the daily chart. So upper projections of all the way towards $9.68 on the daily chart. Let's look at the weekly chart and see if there's anything there. Okay, there's nothing there. So 9.68 is what we are going to stick with on this based on what the daily chart is indicating. $9.68 for POAI stock. See what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.